In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do conditional formatting on your dependent drop-down lists here in Google Sheets. So I've created this multiple drop-down lists in a separate video. If you want to check that out, I'll be leaving a card at the top right corner. You can go ahead and watch that first, then you come back to this video. So once you're back and you want to apply some conditional formatting on these lists, here's how you can do it. So if we try and do a simple conditional formatting, select the range where you want to apply that conditional formatting, go to Format here in the menu bar, and select Conditional Formatting. Here, everything is highlighted because the format rules are if it's not empty, it will be highlighted in this color. So let's just go ahead and remove that, not to confuse you. There you have it. So I've selected A2 to C16. What I want to do is to highlight the movies that were released after 1990. So I'm going to go to the format rules right here, select the drop down, and select date is after. We're going to go to today. Well, not really today, but select exact date. So here we're going to put in 1990. So once you do that, we're now going to select the format style that will be applied to those dates that apply to this condition. So I want the text to be highlighted in red, and you'll see it right away. You'll see all the movies, all the years that are after 1990 in our list, but it doesn't exactly highlight the entire row. But if this is what you want to do, click on Done, and there it is. But what if you want to highlight the entire row and not just the year? What we're going to do first is some logical tests, which we will apply to our format rules later. So we're going to start with our logical test. Put in your equal sign. Select that cell reference right here. If that is greater than the year 1990, it will say that's true. So that is the value that we are looking for. And if we drag this down like so, we will have trues and falses right here. So when we copy this formula like so and go to our conditional formatting, again select that range, go to Format, select Conditional Formatting, add another rule, go to your format rules and select Custom Formula is at the bottom. Paste in that logical test that we just did, and you'll see some confusing highlights on our data. That's because if we drag this formula to the right, you'll see that it does say true, but if we drag it down, is all true for the rest of our data. What we're going to do to fix this would be to put in a $sign right here for our column. That would fix that column. So drag it to the right, then down again, and now we have a repeat of all of those data. So if we copy this formula now and paste it here, now you'll see that it does highlight the same data that it has highlighted with our previous conditional format. So if we change the text into red as well, that is what it's going to look like. And there you have it. That's how you can apply conditional formatting on your dependent drop-down lists here in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.